In this video, you're gonna learn why 91% of all the websites on the World Wide Web is not getting any organic traffic. So let's dive into it. The number one reason is because website owners are trying to find shortcuts. Shortcuts that will help them get tons and tons and tons of traffic. Now, this is not truth. Trying to use black hat SEO tactics don't work. Trying to find shortcuts with getting organic traffic don't work. You need to have the mindset of long-term success, creating valuable content for the users on your website. For them to stay on your website for a longer period of time is really key, because if you do this, then we're telling Google that you are having a high authority website, which will lead you to long-term success. So the mindset of long-term success, let it take time with SEO, and you will eventually win in the long term. The second reason why people don't get organic traffic to their websites is because they're repeating the usage of their content on their website, trying to rank for the same kind of keywords and just don't add any more value to their content. So if you already are having a blog or having articles on your website, by refreshing those articles and blog posts with more valuable content, we're telling Google that you're having a fresh website, you're having a lot of content with high value, and you will rank even better in Google search. And trying to create new content around the new subtopics within your niche is very key here. So to try to rank your content for a more variety of keywords is really key, but always have in mind to keep adding more value to the content, and you will rank even faster and get more traffic to your website. The third reason why people don't get traffic to their website organically is because they're using too difficult language. Now, if you're writing in plain English, you're trying to use all kinds of fancy terms within your niche, that will only confuse your audience. When somebody's coming to your website and looking for information, they're looking for information of words that they can read. Now, have in mind also that 90% of people speaking English are not native speakers. So by writing more like you're speaking, which is copyright 101, this will make whomever who is visiting your website to understand what you're trying to say. And people are more likely to spend more time on your website, which eventually will lead to higher Google ranking, which eventually will lead to more traffic to your website. So write more like you're speaking. That's copyright 101. We will talk more about copywriting in this course later on. But just to be clear, write more like you're speaking and you will get more traffic to your website. The fourth reason why people don't get traffic to their website is because they're not finding the right keywords to rank for. Now, what do I mean with that? Well, everybody's want to try to rank for getting fit, getting shape, get more money, and so on. These generic terms. You definitely would like to rank your website for those kind of words, right? Or any type of generic words within your field. But the problem with that is it's a ton of websites out there today already ranking for those terms, such as high authority websites. But the thing that you need to do instead is to focus all your energy on doing keyword research smart. And I will show you in this course on how to do that. But essentially what it means is you would like to rank for long tail keywords. Keywords that people are not trying to rank for, but people are still searching for, so that you can get traffic to your website. And the fifth and last reason why people don't get traffic to their websites is simply because they are trying to do everything on their own. They are not doing any link building. And what link building basically is to network with other websites within your niche, trying to create this bond with other people and other websites in order to rank higher up in Google search. Because if a website is linking your website on their website, then these are telling Google that we are of high authority, we are a popular website, and you definitely would like to be a popular website. And this way you will get a lot of more traffic to your website. So this was the 5 biggest reasons why people don't get organic traffic to their website. And inside of this course, we're gonna make sure that you are getting traffic to your website organically. So follow along to the next video and I'll see you there.